Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your Nintendo Switch to public Wi-Fi. First, from the Home menu, navigate to System Settings. Scroll down and select Internet, then choose Internet Settings. Your Switch will now begin searching for all available Wi-Fi networks in your vicinity. This initial scan is crucial for finding the public network you wish to join. Once the scan is complete, a list of networks will appear. Select the public Wi-Fi network you intend to use. If the network is secured, you'll be prompted to enter a password or security key. Carefully input the correct credentials. After entering the information, your Nintendo Switch will proceed to attempt a connection to that specific network. For many public Wi-Fi networks, a captive portal will appear. This is a web page that opens automatically, requiring you to agree to terms, enter a room number, or log in. Use the on-screen keyboard to provide any necessary information. Completing this step is vital to gain full internet access on your Nintendo Switch through the public network. If you encounter connection problems, first check your Wi-Fi signal strength. A weak signal can cause issues. Try restarting your Nintendo Switch if the connection fails. Remember that public Wi-Fi networks are generally less secure than private ones, so exercise caution when accessing sensitive information. Enjoy your gaming on the go.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.